Hello, Eastbears. I've been actually meaning to get in contact with you. Um, Basically, 3 days before Christmas, I was cleaning my cooker, getting ready for a roast for 15 odd people. Well, not just roast, but desserts and everything else that comes with Christmas. So I was busy cleaning away on my Neff oven and felt something drop from the top of the oven. And looking at it, it was the glass covering for the bulb. And the bulb had gone ages ago. But I was like, oh God, okay, well, it's out now, so I might as well clean it, change a bulb, whatever. Went to go and clean the glass cover and realised that it cracked. So half of it was still in the oven and half of it out. So I just want to remind you, we're 3 days away from Christmas. Cue frantic Googling, trying to find where I can find a replacement cover, because obviously there's no way that I could use the oven unless I could find a replacement. So basically, Eastbears came up. I've used you guys before, and you guys have been absolutely amazing. I paid for expedited delivery, and by the next day, or I think it was the day after, because I did it quite late, it was in. And I fitted it really easily, and you saved me hundreds of pounds of trying to get someone to come round and try and fix it. So thank you so much, Eastbears, for saving Christmas, for saving mummy with the kids and the family and the in-laws and everyone else. That isn't an understatement, by the way, because literally I would have been lynched. So yeah, you guys were amazing. And it was a glass cover that I ordered, expedited delivery, saved me even finding a call out guy. I don't think I would have even found one, to be fair. And it was really easy to fix. The instructions on the website are so clear. Even with the other spares that I've bought in the past, you know, everything's there. The questions and the answers are really useful. The tips of how to replace things are really useful. And for things like this, I've always told my friends and family to go to eSpares, have a look. And a lot of these things you can do yourself without having to spend hundreds of pounds trying to call someone out for something that costs you 20 quid, if that. So thank you very much, Eastbears, and I will be definitely using you guys again.